Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and I am just thoroughly enjoying this GlamGlow Thirsty Mud Hydrating Treatment. I love how hydrated my skin feels after I use it, and it also leaves my skin feeling really soft. It has coconut oil in it, and it smells so tropical, makes me think of vacation. It's really easy to use. I just cover my face with an even coat and leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes and then wipe it off or massage it into your skin. And it can be used 2 to 3 times a week. I like using it before bed or on a day that I want to do an at-home spa day. That's really fun. And it doesn't really show up too dark on your skin. I always look forward to using this GlamGlow hydrating treatment. It just makes my skin look and feel so hydrated and smooth, and it's so enjoyable. And that's my point of view.